Hey yo, check out this savage move that the homie Lawnmower guy did. Or I did it, but you know he physically did it, and I controlled him. So check it out. But I'm gonna still give him credit. Don't worry. Hey, freaking dodged the whole grinder. And you wanna know how dangerous this thing is? One more time. One more time. One more time. I'm gonna slow it down just a little bit. Just two of them. Tap this twice. This speeds it up and this slows it down. So, okay, here he's coming. He's coming. The grinder on his. Actually, the back tire looks like bounced off of the grinder. So, if his middle part here that cuts grass, if that blade connected with the actual grinder blade, that would have been horrible. I think that would have actually, done something way worse. But as we all see here, worked out fine. So let me show you how dangerous these things are. If he was, if he did get caught in it. So basically, here you go. Yeah, it's pretty bad. And that you had glass breaking? Dang. That was on the game. But let me slow down. Try. Tires so big on here, so let me try to. Alright. So grinder. What just happened? What the heck just happened? Hold on, wait. The blades are still supposed to show. It glitched out on me, I don't know. That rhymed, didn't it? Basically, let me get another character real quick and show you. Let me do it one more time. Try. Yeah. It's pretty bad. But anyway, let me get another character real quick and show you how bad this would be if he. Oh, your character's right here. So I don't know if it gives you a name, but you can look these up on Google. It will give you a name. The best one to give a good effect when he dies, to kill. I know I've seen it on a lot of popular, YouTube channels that do gameplays. This one, the bike guy, Irresponsible Dad, that's what his name is. This guy, maybe these range from most used to most not used. I don't know. This is my favorite character out of all of them. Just because I love lawnmowers and this part right here. Because you can run over stuff. No way. No way. This dude got this Adidas on point. What is this? He got them Adidas on point, yo. Anyway, I love this part right here in the middle. Because you can run over somebody and grind them all up. It's fun. That was it. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.